Disconnect the power. Turn off the toilet angle valve. After opening the toilet lid and seat, hold the lid firmly and lift it upwards. Once the toilet seat lid assembly is slightly lifted, move it backward. You will see hoses and cables. First, remove the side flush hose. The side flush hose can be unscrewed by hand. Remove the bottom flush hose. The water supply hose will need a wrench to remove. Turn the wrench clockwise to unscrew. After removing the hoses, unscrew the foot sensor cable. Disconnect the foot sensor cable. Reel in the power cable. Now remove the toilet seat lid assembly. Put it aside. Prepare the tools. Once the toilet seat lid assembly is removed from the ceramic toilet bowl, you will see the back of the assembly. There are screws connecting the cover and the base. There are 4 screws to be removed. Unscrew all the fixed screws. Pry open the clips between the cover and the base. Open the base and the cover. You will find that there are still connecting cables between the base and the cover. Remove the connecting cables. Set the base aside. Next, we will replace the pulse valve control board. If the machine is unable to control the pulse valve, a replacement is necessary. The pulse valve control board is located in this position and is secured by a single screw. Remove the screw and detach the board. Then, disconnect the cables from the control board. Completely removing it. After removing the old control board, take the new one and reconnect the pulse valve control cables to their original positions, ensuring the colors match. Once the cables are properly connected, secure the control board back in place using the screw. After installation, check the cables for any issues and arrange them neatly. If everything is in order, reassemble the base and cover. Then reinstall it onto the toilet ceramic body. Take base back and install it. Reconnect the connecting cables to the main board. Once the connections are done, join the base and the cover together. Pay attention to the clips on this side. Also, pay attention to the clips at the back. Combine base and cover. Tighten the base's fixing screws again. Once all the screws are tightened, the assembly is complete. Reinstall the toilet seat lid assembly onto the ceramic toilet bowl. First, install the foot sensor cable. The foot sensor cable has a specific insertion direction. There is a notch on the top. Once the foot sensor cable is connected, install the water supply hose. Use a wrench to tighten the water supply hose. Next, install the side flush hose, which is located on the side of the toilet. Install the bottom flush hose. After tightening the hoses, check to make sure there are no issues and that they are all securely tightened. Finally, reinstall the toilet seat lid assembly.